Alright guys, so we'll do a quick walk around on the R8. For anybody that's never seen one up close, carbon ceramics. The underneath side of these high-end exotic cars, guys, there's nothing that is exposed. These things are very well built. For anybody that's never seen a car on the underneath an exotic car, I'll show you. Really impressive engineering on these cars, especially Audis. These cars right here, I've already seen these cars with about 60,000 miles on them, 100,000 miles on them. As long as you maintain these vehicles with the regular service intervals, these things will last. Same with the new Lamborghinis, which are, in essence, Audis. We always go to the next level with our installations. It's invisible, but Gonzalo's already covered each one of these.
Very
just
nice.
kidding.
Very nice. Each
kidding.
individual.
I always like to come in and, hey, I'm gonna throw you a curveball for installation today. The client specifically requested that we cover each one of these. I can see the life leave his body when I say that.
Yeah, absolute terror.
But then I have to tell him it's a joke less than 10 seconds later. I don't want him to have an aneurysm, you know?
Yeah, well, this is a custom install on this.
Yeah, this is a custom install. There is actually no kit for this, so he's doing all this in one piece right here. We're gonna leave the canards. He's actually trimming around those right now. Gonna lay that down. Everything is gonna come out great. In the beginning, it looks not the best, but then it comes out really good, you know?
It'll be pretty.
You know what I mean? So that way it ensures that we don't have any real issues there.
If you wanna have to trim here and here. Look at the blue diamond stitching interior. So quiet, bro.
I know.
Compared to my twin turbo, my twin turbo is obnoxiously loud.